Top health benefits of drinking milk every day. Milk, which contains numerous healthy nutrients, is a dietary staple in several nations and is commonly sourced from cows, buffaloes, sheep, and goats. Individuals from Western nations tend to consume milk more frequently. In addition to its wholesome nutrients, milk possesses several qualities that make it an ideal component of many diets. Have you ever wondered why we are frequently advised to incorporate milk into our daily diet? Stay tuned to uncover the answer to this commonly asked question, as well as other queries, such as the calorie count of a single glass of milk, the quantity of protein in 1 glass of milk, and the various benefits of milk that arise from its nutrient composition. Nutritional value of milk. Calories in 1 glass of milk are 149. 1 glass equals 244 grams. A glass of whole milk contains sugar, 12.3 g, fat, 7.9 g, protein, 7.7 g, calcium, 276 milligrams, mg, phosphorus, 205 milligrams, potassium, 322 milligrams, vitamin D, 3.2 micrograms mcg. On the other hand, for skimmed milk, 1 glass milk calories is about 83. 1 glass equals 244 grams. A glass of skimmed milk contains calcium, 299 g, sugar, 12 g, protein, 8.2 g, fat, 0.2 g, phosphorus, 246 milligrams, potassium, 381 milligrams, vitamin D, 2.9 micrograms. Besides, milk offers choline, magnesium, vitamin A, riboflavin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folate and many more essential nutrients. Top 7 health benefits of drinking milk daily. Why don't we explore some of the advantages for our health that come from consuming milk on a daily basis? 1. Reduces obesity. Can drinking milk aid in weight loss? Yes, milk is considered beneficial for individuals looking to shed some pounds. Consuming a cup of milk can create a sense of fullness and satisfaction. Integrating 2 to 3 cups of milk into your daily eating habits can not only reduce the likelihood of obesity, but also assist with weight management. For a more flavorful experience, try adding a handful of dry fruits or chocolate powder to your glass of milk. The optimal time to drink milk for weight loss is immediately following a workout. 2. Superfood for blood pressure and heart patients. Reducing the chances of developing cardiovascular disease requires a dietary plan that includes increased potassium consumption and reduced sodium intake. In a study conducted on over 90,000 postmenopausal women in 2014, it was discovered that approximately 25% of the women who had the highest potassium intake experienced a 21% reduction in the risk of stroke of any type, as well as a 27% reduction in the risk of ischemic stroke. However, the saturated fat found in whole-fat dairy products may increase the likelihood of atherosclerosis and heart disease. Consequently, individuals who are at risk for stroke or cardiovascular disease should opt for skim or low-fat milk instead. 3. Good for brain health. Multiple medical studies have demonstrated that older adults who consume a greater quantity of dairy products have a heightened quantity of glutathione, a potent antioxidant located in the brain. Individuals who consume milk and milk products possess higher antioxidant levels, 30% higher, than those who consume less than half a serving per day. 4. Strengthens your bones. Milk contains various essential vitamins, including vitamin D, vitamin B6, and B12, as well as a good source of calcium. These components help in fortifying bones and muscles, making it crucial for children to consume milk regularly during their developmental years to promote strong and healthy bone growth. 5. Drink warm milk to fight soothe stress. Indeed, warm milk is an effective remedy for stress relief. It is likely why our grandmothers often provided us with a warm cup of milk before bedtime, as it can alleviate feelings of anxiety. Warm milk aids in increasing the production of serotonin through the compound tryptophan. Additionally, consuming warm milk at night before sleeping can decrease cortisol levels in the brain, promoting relaxation and better sleep. 6. Fights against various diseases. Milk has the potential to prevent several illnesses, such as cancer and heart disease. It can also enhance visual acuity and aid in the fight against various types of cancer. Additionally, milk can reduce the production of harmful cholesterol in the body. 7. Makes your skin lustrous. Milk has the ability to enhance the radiance and luminosity of the skin. Numerous homemade facial masks utilize milk as a natural moisturizer to enhance skin elasticity and brightness. Additionally, several health experts attest to milk's ability to lighten the complexion of the skin. These are some health benefits of milk that you must be aware of. What is the best time to drink milk? As per Ayurveda, the optimal time to consume milk is just before going to bed. Drinking a glass of milk before bedtime can enhance the quality of sleep, as milk contains tryptophan and bioactive peptides that encourage positive sleep patterns. Healthcare experts recommend drinking milk before bed to individuals experiencing sleeping difficulties due to stress. This is one of the significant advantages of consuming milk at night. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.